Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Tron using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can earn money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trust Wallet app, then go to the wallet section, and at the wallet section on the top of the screen, you can see 4 buttons: send, receive, buy, and trade. Now, if you want to get Tron, you can either buy it or receive it. Now tap on the one that you are interested in, go to search, type in Tron, and the first one is going to be the Tron coin. And when you tap on it, it's going to generate you automatically your Tron QR code and address. And with this QR code, you can receive Tron to your Trust Wallet app. You can scan it for yourself if you have Tron in a different wallet and want to transfer it to Trust Wallet, or you can send this QR code to anyone and they can send you Tron. Now you can also tap on copy and copy your address and send it to anyone that has to pay you. And the second feature, the set amount feature, is a very cool way. You can type in a set amount of Tron coin, and then it's going to generate you a new QR code and a new address. And with this address, you can only receive just this specific amount of Tron, not less, not more. And this is a very good way for transactions or payments. And obviously the third function is share. With this, you can share your QR code or address on social media or other platforms to receive Tron. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Right now I have 321 subscribers. Let's be the next one. See you in the next one. Bye.